Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Black Friday Facebook story using Canva. So, go to the search bar in Canva and search for Black Friday Facebook story, and you'll see various Canva templates. Just go to the CL tab and scroll down. You'll see the available options. Scroll through and choose whichever template you like, then customize it. For now, I'll go with maybe this one. Just click on it and customize the template. You can explore the templates, and whichever you prefer or meets your needs, just customize that one. Now you can see I have full access to modify whatever I want. So now, if I want to customize the template text, I'll select it, and these are the options available for text customization. If I want to change the font, I'll go with this and select whichever font I like. For changing colors, you can do the same with all options. That covers the text customization options. Now, if I want to add a product image, I just need to remove this one, go to Uploads, and upload my product images from my computer. Then, just add the product here. And maybe if I want to remove the background image or background like this, or I can go to the Edit and add a glow effect or outline. Make it white and resize the outline like this. Maybe I want it like this. Or I can go to Elements, add a white shadow, choose this, and send it backward for a more visually appealing look. Or if I need to change the background, you can go to Elements and look for Backgrounds. And in the Canva library, you'll get lots of options for background colors, like this. Or maybe this. And this looks better. Or this one looks even better. You can try out everything, and whichever colors and text you prefer, just go with that one. You can add your own images, your own logos, your own text, your own details, information, everything. When you're done with the design and satisfied with your modifications, to download, rename your file. Go to the Share option, go to Download, and save it as a PNG or in any other available format. Just download it, and your Black Friday sale Facebook story is ready to upload.